Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making some turkey wings that I found on Mack from Mack's Kitchen and Grill channel. Make sure you guys check him out. I fell in love with this recipe and I couldn't wait to make it. So these are my ingredients. I'm going to be using smoked paprika, my spicy girl, a whole bulb of garlic. Mack used, I think, 2 small cans of the cream of chicken, so I just went ahead and got the large. You're also going to need some chicken broth or chicken stock. These are my turkey wings. I also got a pack that was already broken down because I have braces and I can't really eat the big ones, well, the whole wing, so I got the one that was cut up. I'm going to wash my wings, season it up, and then we're going to move on. Ooh, y'all, look at my spice on this turkey wing. If you don't have my spices, you are playing yourself. So anyway, in another bowl, you're going to add some of your cream of chicken as well as your chicken broth or your chicken stock. Put it down in there. This is basically to add more flavor as well as to thin it out and make it more pliable for you to, you know, just pour over your turkey as Mack did in his video. Y'all, first of all, by the time y'all see this video, I already done ate this turkey. It was just so delicious. And as you can see, I'm doing next to nothing. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Make sure you head on over and check out Mack's channel. His channel is amazing. He has a lot of southern recipes and they're super delicious. Y'all, look at this sauce. Well, cream of chicken. Once you thin it out, it just, first of all, this looks like cake batter. But yeah, you want to put this all over your turkey. Cover it up tightly and pop it into a 400-degree oven. I cooked my turkey all the way on 400 degrees, but if you're going to church or something like that, just put it on 300 and put it in there and forget it. This is what it looks like after 2 hours. I'm going to show you guys. See, it's tender. But now I'm going to take the cover off and cook it for another hour. This is going to let the gravy reduce and the turkey is going to get nice and brown just like this. Y'all, look at this turkey. Look at this turkey, y'all. And it's so tender. And yeah, so I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that gravy with that garlic, that cream of chicken, spicy girl, my seasoning. Y'all, I make stewed and smothered turkey wings all the time. You see it on my channel. But it's something about this recipe. I don't know what it is. It was just so delicious, y'all. And we tore it up. You hear me? Tore it up. I served it up with some plantains and rice and peas. I already have a recipe for that. I'll make sure I link it below. Mack, you did your thing with this one. I can't wait to try another one of your recipes. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I'll catch you guys on my next recipe video. Bye, guys.